Hi, I'm Carla Kuiper, Director of Technology Integration for East Baton Rouge Parish Schools, and in this video tutorial I'll be talking about how to start or set up a new Google form. Many people ask me how to get started setting up or starting off a Google form, and there are actually several ways. One easy way to get started with Google Forms is to go to forms.google.com. Remember, in Google it's the name of the app, .google.com. So you can do that. Notice I'm in the Chrome browser and I've just typed that into the address bar. And it takes me right to the Google Forms front page. From the forms.google.com page, start a new form by selecting a blank form, or you can start with any one of the pre-made templates and a new form opens. But the great thing about Google Forms is that it is so intelligent. There are many ways to start a Google form. You can also create a Google form from Google Drive. When you create a Google form, it's saved in Google Drive. To create a Google form directly from Google Drive, notice that I'm in my Google Drive, or you can go to drive.google.com. At the top left, select the New button. Mouse down and select More, and then select Google Forms. If you mouse across, you'll notice you have the option to select a blank form or to select one of the pre-made templates from Google Drive. Another option that you have is to create a Google form from a Google Sheet. Notice that I'm in Google Sheets. To get to Google Sheets, you can use your app launcher, or you can go to sheets.google.com. Create a blank spreadsheet. And once you've done that, go to the Insert menu, mouse down, and select the Form option. Notice that once I've done that, give it a few seconds, and now I've got a brand new Google form that I can begin to edit, and that Google form will be connected to the sheet that you just created. So in this tutorial, you learned how to set up a Google form from forms.google.com. You learned how to set up a Google form from Google Drive, and you also learned how to set up a Google form directly from Google Sheets.